But now you hear politicians, nobody is talking about Africa. Talking power. So please, for us, we are here to deal with you remember how we started? For us, we are for the unit of Uganda and Ugandans, but we're also for the unit of Africa, because we need Africa for our prosperity, to sell our products and also buy from them. Because as I speak now, we have got surplus of sugar, surplus of maize, surplus of milk. When some people were rioting in Kampala, I was in Karamoja. I was going for a meeting like now. Then they said, no, don't go for the meeting. You ring. There is a problem in Kampala. I said, what problem? I said, I'm not going to interrupt my meeting to deal with that nonsense. Because they are there, they are not to campaign. Me, I'm campaigning. So I ignored them. Now in the evening, I said, oh, okay, what happened? Because I was sure nobody can disturb Uganda, because we have a strong army. But this strong army came because we did not follow the line of Nyingo. And you hear people spending so much time with young, old, then you know they don't know what they are talking about. Because we are not in a biology lab talking about biology. Young fish, old fish. We are talking about solving human need. And that's why we say, what are your ideas about this? What are your ideas about this? You have been seeing in the US elections, the clash of views of people. You are hearing His Excellency Trump saying, "Musiniambe mambo ingine, mimi America peke yake." That is his view. So you look at it, is this correct? It's a clash of ideas, not biology.